Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are building a website with Squarespace and want to duplicate a page in 2026 to reuse a layout, create variations or save time, you are in the right place. Squarespace lets you duplicate pages instantly, no plugins, no code, no risk. In this guide I will show you step by step how to duplicate a page in Squarespace in 2026 cleanly, safely and like a pro. So first thing first, log into Squarespace, open your website and go to home and then page. Okay, so click website pages. This is where all pages are managed. Locate the page under, so main navigation, footer, not linked. Okay, so you can duplicate any standard page. So hover over the page name, click the setting icon, okay, and select duplicate page. Squarespace instantly creates a copy. The duplicated page appears right below the original. No confirmation needed, it's immediate. Okay, so click on the duplicated page, rename it clearly, avoid publishing pages with copy names. Okay, so you can move the new page to main navigation, footer, or not linked. So drag and drop the page where you want it. Best practice, keep it in not linked until ready. Okay, so open the duplicated page and click edit. You can now change text, replace images, adjust sections and so on. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.